this lesson, I want to show you probably my favorite plugin that I've ever used. It's called Pretty Link Lite, and it's a way that you can redirect URLs to a specific URL, making it easy for someone to remember or to type in a specific URL. So go ahead and search for Pretty Link Lite and install it. There is a premium version, but for what it does in the Lite version, you won't really need much more, especially when you're starting out. After you have installed the plugin, go back to your dashboard and it adds a panel on your home page. I use this one a lot, so I usually put this at the top of my dashboard. So here's how you use it. You have a target URL and you have a pretty link. Say you have a specific URL that you want to send people to. Maybe it's a YouTube video of yours. Maybe it's a product of yours that you're hosting on who knows what, Amazon, Gumroad, Udemy, any other platform. You can take that URL. Specifically for YouTube videos, this URL means nothing. youtube.com/watch $V equals yada, yada, yada. Paste that into the target URL box back on your pretty link page. And then create a pretty link. Maybe you want this to be ebenerdesigns.com/video. And then click create. And it's going to take you to the links page where you can see the stats for the different links you've created. And now whenever anyone visits ebenerdesigns.com/video, it's actually going to forward them to that YouTube video. So you can see here on videoschoolonline.com, I use Pretty Link a lot, and you can see it's just a way to clean up a URL, especially when I'm putting it in an email or in a YouTube description. Perhaps it's a blog article that has a very long URL, which is good for keyword SEO purposes, but not for remembering or not for visually seeing in a YouTube description. Then I just create a pretty link with it. Here you can see the clicks for all of these links, which I think is really cool, including the unique people clicking it versus the number of clicks. There are some tools that I haven't used ever before within Pretty Link, including automatically sharing the links via email or Twitter, etc. The other cool thing is that say you create this Pretty Link that links to a specific video and you post this link all over the place on your blog articles, in emails, all over the place, but you want it to redirect to a different video. What you can do is just edit this Pretty Link by clicking that edit button. And now I can change the target URL to whatever I want. Now I don't have to go back to all of those YouTube videos and change the URL that I put in there. It's automatically going to change because I use the Pretty Link and now it redirects to a different page. So that's Pretty Link, and it's a really amazing plugin. Start using it and I'll see you in the next lesson.